Mike Davis, and we're coming to you today from the FloTech Demo Lab in South Windsor, Connecticut. Today we're going to talk to you about characterization of Air Monitor's ELECTRA-flo thermal dispersion airflow measuring station. In order to get into the characterization menu, you'll hit Enter from the home screen, and Enter again when the main menu is highlighted to get into the main menu. You'll use the up and down arrows to get to the field characterization menu. And you'll notice here that field characterization is turned off. You'll hit up or down to get to the field characterization to be on, hit Enter, and there's two options, calculate and manual. Today we'll be reviewing how to calculate field characterization. Hit Enter. There are a number of points that we can select from 1, 2, or 3. This depends on how in-depth you'd like your characterization to get. We will show you a 1-point characterization today, but you could follow the same points for 2 or 3-point characterization. Why would you use 2 or 3-point? If you wanted to get an inclusive curve of a mid, min, and max range, you could use ELECTRA-flo point 1 for your min, ELECTRA-flo point 2 for your mid, ELECTRA-flo point 3 for your max. So you have these 3 points at the top, the Electra points. That's what the ELECTRA-flo is reading with the characterization off at the time you're working with the balancer. The reference points at the bottom are what the balancer is reading, or what the flow should be at each Electra point. For our demo lab presentation here, our ELECTRA-flo was reading at 2,560 CFM, or cubic feet per minute, and the reference point at that time was 2,175 feet per minute, CFM, or cubic feet per minute. So we want our ELECTRA-flo to read 2175 when it was actually reading 2,560. In order to change these values, you'd hit the escape key to clear out numbers, and then you use the up and down key to select. Once you have the number you want in the field, you'll hit Enter. We'll go down to the reference points, and our reference point should be 2175. I'll back up a couple more digits so you can see me select here, hitting the up arrows to select numbers, and once I get the number I want, I hit Enter to move to the next digit. Once I have all the numbers I want, I hit Enter through the fields, and it says selection's complete. I'm going to hit Enter to hit OK. Now field characterization is turned on. If I hit Escape, back to the main screen, you'll see in the top right this FX symbol, which means that the field characterization is turned on. We just want to make sure that when we're taking those Electra points and comparing them to the reference values, that FX is not there. The FX needs to be turned off when we're recording values, and then we'll put those values in after we turn characterization on. And that's as simple as it gets to characterize the ELECTRA-flo.